The lightest, keep me where the brightest. Two left feet, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the high side.
Hi. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jess and today I will be showing you how to create these beachy, effortless waves using a curling wand. This look only took about 5 solid minutes, maybe even less. The waves came out so pretty. Very effortless look for very little time. If you want to know how I made these beautiful waves, just keep on watching. To get this look, the first thing I have to do is put up my hair. A half up, half down type of thing. I normally don't do this, but I know that I should because I have really thick hair. Section my hair like this, brush so it's easier to curl. Unfortunately, I don't have any heat protectant spray. I lost mine. I don't know where it went. So I'm just gonna do it without. I'm gonna be using this curling iron that I got for Christmas. I'm not sure what barrel size this is, but it was the biggest one in the set that I got. Any curling wand will do. The first thing, I'm gonna grab this piece. I like to start from the back, so I work my way from the back to the front. Wrap like so. I'll hold it for a bit. And once again, my hair is pretty thick, so I have to hold it a little longer than normal or the curl won't stay. So let go. And then just after you curl it, grab the curl and crunch it up like that so it stays. And then you have this cute wave. I'm going to start on this side of my head. Instead of curling it away from my face, put the curling iron on this end and curl it inwards towards my face. I can't tell you guys how many times that I've burnt myself like on my neck because I'm not being careful. This also looks like a very uncomfortable like position to hold my hair, but I don't know. It works. And then instead of wrapping inwards like I just did, I'm going to be wrapping the curl outwards away from my face. And that's just so your curls don't all look the same and they go different ways. So definitely wrap your curl inwards towards your face and outwards so you have better waves. And wrapping it away from my face. I like to grab big chunks of my hair to curl because I have so much hair that I just don't like to be taking hours. So I try to make this the fastest way possible. Pro tip would be to just focus on your front curls versus the ones in the back of your head. These are the curls and this is just the first layer. Next, I'm just gonna put this hair back. I'm just gonna let down the rest of my hair. I'll grab my brush. So like I said, I'm starting from the back of my head and working my way to the front. And for this one, I'm gonna curl inwards, hold it. Last pieces of hair that are in the front, curl it away from your face so that it frames your face better. It's just like that, and you see how the curl like goes outwards. That's how you know you're doing it right versus inwards. Same with this side. I'm gonna curl away from my face and then just hold it. I like to part my hair in the middle. Sometimes I'll go like that to give it more volume. To finish this look off, I'm going to be using Big Sexy Hair Spray and Play Volumizing Hairspray. And then I'm just gonna, same with this side, and just shake it out. I'll even do the top. I'm gonna hold my hair back like this so when I finish spraying it, it falls and it looks effortless. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did watch to the end of the video, please, 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 please give this video a thumbs up. It's almost Christmas. Now all I want is subs. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Help me. I hope this video helped you, but thank you so much for watching and happy holidays. Bye!